Assalamualaikum. A very good morning to my dear students and welcome back to your English class, and this is your English teacher again from United Public School. So as we have started our reading in our last class, the title True Height. So let's start our title True Height in our today's session. So let's get started in. This story talks about the feelings of athletes as he pursues his dream. Read about a nerve-wracking day in Michael Stone's life as he prepares to take the ultimate test of his sports career. It is an awe-inspiring achievement that will leave you breathless. So as I said in our last session that it is a story. This title True Height, it is an story. It is a sportsman based story, okay, as I said. So here in this story they have talked about the feelings of an athlete. Athlete means a person who is proficient in sports and other forms of physical exercise, which means a person which is very perfect in sports and another different physical exercise. That persons are called as athletes over here. So in this lesson they have mentioned about the feelings of the athletes as they are progress pursues in the sense they are getting progress in their dreams. Okay, they are coming near to his dreams. So the feelings, how the sportsman, how the athletes they feels, so the feelings have mentioned in this lesson. So and the person of this athlete name given over here, the Michael Stone life, as this Michael Stone life a very important day has mentioned in this lesson as he was reaching his progress of dream in his life. Okay, what is the time I mean about the nerve-wracking day in the sense a very stressful day, or we can also say it as a difficult day. So here the Michael Stone's life का एक difficult part, एक difficult stressful day mention किया गया है in this lesson. Okay, and we can also say it as an ultimate test of his complete sports career as he was in sports career. So under complete ultimate test of this sports career they have mentioned in this lesson, and it is also an inspiring achievement to all other peoples, or inspiring in the sense impressive, we can say it as impressive and inspiring. So this lesson is an inspiring to the other peoples. So this lesson is based on the pole vaulting sports. What is the pole vaulting? I hope you all have known like this the sports. This sport is nothing but pole vaulting. What they do, they will take the pole and they will run and they will jump with the help of this pole like this step by step. Okay, here you can see the game of the pole vaulting, how they are running with the pole and with the help of this pole they will jump. This game is nothing but pole vaulting. ठीक है? If you want more information about this game, just go through the net, students. Now today's today's life, the net is very easy to get help of those things to know about them betterly. So his palms were sweating. He needed a towel to dry his grip. So it is an important day of this Michael Stone's life. So on that day, what happening? He was in the ground. He was playing the pole vaulting in a competitive Olympics. Okay, so while he was playing, what happened? It was a very stressful day. So as it was very stressful day, his palms get sweating. Palms in the sense हथेलियाँ. तो जब हम लोग स्ट्रेस होते हैं हथेलियों में sweat आ जाते हैं, right? So he needed towel to dry his palm. So as he want to get a grip on the pole, or as he want to get a grip on his pole, he want to dry that sweat by the help of towel. And a glass of ice water quenched his thirst but hardly cooled his intensity. So he also needed a glass of cold water to get rid of his thirst, which means प्यास को बुझाने के लिए उसे ठंडा पानी का ग्लास भी ज़रूरत है. So The astroturf he sat on was a hot as a competition he faced today at a National Junior Olympics. So astroturf means over here a type of artificial grass surface used specially for sports ground. So on a sports ground they use artificial grass surface. That grass surface is nothing but astroturf. So here this man, the name Michael Stone, he was sat on the astroturf and it was very hot as the sun is very hot and the competition was very tough and it was very hard difficult situation. So he was facing in the National Olympic Junior Olympic, not a local competition. He was in the National Junior Olympic. It was not a joke, students. So the pole was set at 17 feet, that was 3 inches higher than his personal best. So the pole of this pole is about 17 feet, which is the boy, the Michael Stone, his personality height उसके 3 गुना ज़्यादा बढ़ के पोल बड़ा है, ठीक है, 17 feet inches higher than the personal best. So Michael Stone, he was confronted his most challenging and most difficult day, and we can also say it as a nerve-wracking day in his whole career, the pole vaulting whole career of this he was facing that day. So on that day, the final race, the running race, the final race has completed. After completion of that race, also after completion of that race, an hour later, an hour earlier, there are still 20,000 of public was in that stadium, which they didn't go up after watching the running. After watching running, they still stayed their stadium. The 20,000 above people were present in that stadium to see this game, the pole vaulting. Okay, and this pole vaulting, it is a glamorous event of the track, and it is very competition field. It is in this field they are very competition, students. So as it is very competition, the sportsman of this game should have the grace of both the gymnastic as well as the strength of a bodybuilding. Okay, bodybuilder. So who is the gymnastic? The gymnastic is the ones who perform. The gymnasts are the one who perform gymnastics, right? And the bodybuilder who has like a six packs, right? So this type of grace, the gymnastic grace as well as strength of bodybuilder grace should be present in the sportsman to perform this game, the pole vaulting. Clear? And this pole vaulting, it is like an element of flying. While doing this pole vaulting, the person will feel like a flying in the air, as well as the persons who are watching these games at events and all, they will also feel like a flying in the air, right? And it feels like a fantastic, it feels like a joyful. Okay, if anyone's watching this game, they will feel like a joyful, fantastic. Okay, today it was a very reality and a dream to win this game to the Michael. Okay, and it is not just only dream and reality to this Michael, it is also a quest to, means thirst, मतलब प्यास. तो यहाँ पे माइकल को ये गेम जीतने का प्यास की जैसा भी है, मतलब इसके खाली ख्वाब और रियलिटी नहीं है, क्वास्ट भी है, थर्स्ट भी है, तो इसको ये गेम किसी भी हालत में जीतना है. So as I said in our last class, that is Michael always dreamed to fly, as even Michael Stone was mother also tell him a lots of stories about the flying when he was child. So while he was growing up, his mother tells him about the stories of flying. Okay, so he had a dream to fly. So as he has a dream to fly, he was very keen to reach those goal. So here what is the meaning of bird's eye view? In the sense view of all the aspects of something. Okay, जो मतलब जो ख्वाब रखे उसको हम एक बर्ड की निगाह से, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बर्ड वॉज ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड ही वॉन्ट टू फ्लाई इन द एयर. सो वाइल ही वॉन्ट टू फ्लाई ही अनेबल टू फ्लाई, सो he will see the sky with a keen view. Okay, with a keen view he want to reach to the sky. So here the Michael's dream was like a sky and Michael was like a bird eye view. He will watch those sky, the goals which is present on the sky. He was watching those goals and he want to reach those goals by he was seeing those goals like a bird eye keen view. Okay, and he was recurring dream. Okay, which means recursing means repeatedly, continuously. Okay, he was continuously dreaming about the flying. He was so committed. Okay, as the eagles will fly above the mountains and the close to the mountains and high, how high they will fly, very much high above the mountains. Like he also have like that goals. Where he flew would always concerned with his mother's stories. His dad has, on the other hand, was not a dreamer. Birdstone was hardcore realist. So as this Michael's mother was very he used to tell our dreams or lots of dreams to the Michael. So she was very dreamer like sense. Okay, so while she was like a dream stories, on the other hand the Michael dad was not like the mother. He was different from the mother. Like he was not a dreamer, he was a realist. Okay, and his father name was written over here, the Birdstone. Okay, the Michael father name is Birdstone. So he believed in hard work and sweat, and his motto in the sense uska aim kya hai, if you want something work for it. So here Birdstone ka motto, if you want something you have to work it to achieve those things. So this is the motto of Birdstone. So from the age of 14 this Michael, he began to start his career to means he was started his exercises and all. He was began very careful and regimented, in the sense strict organizer. Like okay, he also started lifting weightlifting programs. So at 14 age of the Michaels, he started weightlifting programs. At every another day, he will not do this lady. At every other day, like in alternate days, he will do this weightlifting program, some kind of running also. So who was trainer of this Michael? The father himself. So the program of careful monitoring of this Michael's coach was and the trainer was his father only himself. And Michael dedication, determination, discipline was the coach dream. So his father want to make his son like a determination, dedication and discipline, with a lots of discipline. Okay, so anyhow his dream was successful, as well as the Michael was very honest towards his career, and he also helps his father and mother in their work, in their household and in the outside works, which means he is honest towards the career, as well as he will help to his parents. Okay, so okay, now we will stop our lesson. We will continue in our next class. So as it was very lengthy. Okay students, so dear students, your today's homework is write this first 7 meanings in your notebook. Okay, if possible take a screenshot and write it in your notes and submit in your groups. Okay students, have a nice day.